Hello everyone, I'm here today to show you how to use Google Meet. We will be using Google Meets to meet with students virtually. The first thing students need to do prior to the meeting is make sure they are logged into their 21st Century Google accounts. Once students are in their 21st Century accounts, they can either go to meet.google.com or click on the waffle icon at the top of the screen and select Meets. Prior to the meeting, students will receive a nickname code which is used to gain access to the meeting. On the Google Meets homepage, students will click on the button that says Join or Start a Meeting. In the pop-up window, students will need to type in the nickname given to them by their teachers. Once they have typed in the nickname, they may select Continue. One of two things will happen at this point. If the students attempt to join the meeting before their teacher, they will receive an error message. Students will have to wait a few minutes and try again. If the teacher is in the meeting, students will be taken to a new screen and will select the Join Now button. Once students are in the meeting, there are several things they need to do. Students are asked to mute themselves by clicking on the microphone button at the bottom left of the screen. Teachers may also mute students as they join the meeting. If students do not want to show their face on the screen, they need to click on the video camera button, also located at the bottom of the screen. If students are hearing impaired, they can select the closed captioning button at the bottom of the screen as well. Closed captionings will then be turned on for students. At the top of the screen, students will find the chat window where they can submit questions if they prefer to, rather than asking them aloud. If students are having trouble with their audio or video, the settings icon is located at the bottom of the screen in the pop-up menu. At the end of the meeting, students can click on the bottom button that looks like a red phone. This will remove them from the meeting. Teachers may also remove students at the end of the meeting. I hope this video helps you to navigate through Google Meets. If students have questions, their teachers are happy to help. We look forward to seeing you all soon.